Hey there, DIV enthusiasts and soldering aficionados. Welcome back to our channel, where precision meets craftsmanship. Today, we're heating things up with the 5 best soldering irons of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just diving into the world of soldering, we've got the tools that will spark your creativity. Before we dive into the molten magic, make sure to check the links in the description for more details. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to stay in the loop, and ring that notification bell for hot off the iron updates. Let's get soldering. Starting at number 5, KVIS T85 Soldering Iron. The KVIS Electric Soldering Iron Kit T85 is a powerful and versatile tool suitable for various soldering and rework tasks. With a temperature control range of 8480 degrees Celsius, it caters to a wide array of applications. The Type-C interface power supply supports PD/QC 20304 fast charging protocols, providing flexibility in power options. Featuring a 0.87-inch OLED display, this soldering iron offers clear visibility of temperature settings and working status. The fast heating capability, temperature recovery, and precise temperature control with a stability of 2% make it ideal for tasks with varying solder joint sizes. The compact and lightweight design, along with the inclusion of an LED light, adds to its portability and usability in different working environments. The KVIS T85 is compatible with GDA 300/TS100 soldering tips, making it a versatile choice for users with specific soldering tip preferences. In conclusion, the KVIS T85 is a reliable, compact, and feature-rich soldering iron suitable for both professionals and hobbyists who require precision and flexibility in their soldering tasks. At number 4, KVIS KETS02 Soldering Iron. The KVIS KETS02 Smart Portable Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile and intelligent solution for soldering and repairing electronic devices. Rapid heating is a standout feature, reaching the working temperature within seconds, spanning a range of 176 to 788, 80 to 420. The adjustable working voltage with options of 9V, 12V, 15V, and 20V caters to various working intensities. Equipped with an OLED display screen, this soldering iron provides clear visibility of the working status and temperature settings. The built-in intelligent chip ensures real-time temperature compensation, precise temperature control, and additional features like sleep mode and child lock, contributing to improved work efficiency. The metal outer shell adds durability, and its lightweight and portable design allows for easy carrying. The KETS02 is a reliable choice for those seeking a smart, portable, and efficient soldering iron with a range of intelligent features. At number 3, SEERE S60 Soldering Iron. The SEERE S60 Anti-Static Nano Soldering Iron Pen is a precision repair tool designed for performance and flexibility. With a maximum power of 60 W, it caters to intricate soldering tasks. The slip-back sports car design and grip structure, combined with anti-static and high-temperature resistant materials, ensure a comfortable and durable user experience. This soldering iron supports multiple power supply methods, including PD2030, KC2030, and DC Max 12V, providing adaptability to various power sources. The intelligent temperature control algorithm ensures rapid temperature rise, precise temperature control, and instant tin melting, enhancing work efficiency. Compatibility with C210 series soldering iron tips adds to its versatility. The 0.91-inch OLED display provides clear visibility of parameters, and the ergonomic body design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. With features like temperature calibration, sleep mode, and compatibility with various soldering iron tips, the SEERE S60 is an excellent choice for those who prioritize performance and flexibility in their soldering tools. At number 2, GDA Soldering Iron. The GDA Electric Soldering Iron Kit is a comprehensive solution for soldering needs, offering up to 65 W of power and rapid heating in just 8 seconds. The aluminum alloyed metal body, coupled with an anti-slip plastic handle, ensures durability and a comfortable grip. This soldering iron is a visual delight with its OLED HE screen, displaying clear information on the working state and temperature settings. Precision is at the forefront with PID temperature control and dual temperature sensors, ensuring fast and accurate heating. The universal USB Type-C interface supports PD/KeyC protocols, providing flexibility in power supply. The compact and lightweight design, weighing only 37 grams, adds to its portability, while the dazzling gradient color and triangular body design enhance its aesthetic appeal. The GDA Soldering Iron is user-friendly, featuring only 2 buttons for simple and efficient operation. The OLED screen with a large temperature-adjustable range makes it an indispensable tool for electronic workers. With additional features like automatic sleep, vibration sensing, and compatibility with various soldering iron tips, the GDA Electric Soldering Iron Kit is an excellent choice for those seeking a smart, portable, and efficient soldering solution. Number 1. Minware TS101 Soldering Iron. The Minware TS101 Soldering Iron is a powerhouse upgrade from the TS100, featuring a sleek design and enhanced functionality. With a compact and lightweight pen-shaped body, this soldering iron is a joy to handle, weighing only 33 grams. The anti-slip plastic handle and pluggable ball nut tip installation ensure ergonomic use, making it perfect for intricate soldering projects. Equipped with a smart MCU processor chip, it offers precise temperature control and monitoring, supporting auto sleep, auto standby, and intelligent temperature compensation. The dual temperature sensor and acceleration extreme design guarantee a rapid heating speed, reaching temperatures in seconds. The TS101 supports 3 default heating temperatures and a turbo boost mode for quick project completion. Versatility is a key feature, with compatibility for power sources ranging from 9V to 24V, including PD 3.19 V28V. The USB Type-C cable with high temperature resistance adds to its durability. The larger LED screen displays vital information, contributing to a user-friendly experience. Overall, the Minware TS101 is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering precision, portability, and power.